Good morning, or should I say good afternoon. This is Cynthia from Third Day Soaps Garden, and I'm getting ready to do part one, which I'm doing now, of winter sowing. And winter sowing is a process of sowing your seeds outside in the winter when there is snow, rain, and sleet. I am in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania in Zone 6B, and we will be putting together some winter sowing supplies today. Like I said, this is part one. This is on Saturday. I forget what today's date is, but I guess I should look at that. But it's Saturday, and we are putting together these things. What you're going to need for part two when I come back tomorrow, which is on Sunday, is you're going to need some sort of container to put your winter sowing in, which I suggest empty gallon water or milk jugs that have been rinsed out thoroughly. You will need one or two of those, preferably two. You will need seeds, your choice, preferably winter seeds, like things that you can grow like lettuce, radishes, leeks, onions, because that's what we're going to be putting in tomorrow. And you could do some things, tomatoes, sunflower seeds, peppers, green peppers, lettuce, all kind of good things. You're going to need some potting soil. In these containers over here, you can use a shoe box. You can use a Dean's empty ice cream container. You can use, you can even use a 3-liter soda pop bottle that's been cleansed, label taken off. You're going to need scissors, masking, or duct tape, and your seeds. Get those together for tomorrow, because Sunday morning, I will be doing the part two of winter sowing. So I'm going to tell you again what you're going to need. You're going to need a clear container with a lid, large preferably an empty 1 gallon milk, orange juice, any type of container. As you see there, I have lavender written on one because we're going to do some lavenders. A Dean's ice cream empty container, potting soil loose, no other kind of soil, but it has to say potting soil. You're going to need your seeds, of course, your containers, your scissors, because you're going to have to cut around the containers, and your masking tape. That's all you're going to need to do the winter sowing. So get those things together, and you'll be able to handle them, and we'll be able to put it together tomorrow for our winter sowing. And let me tell you what winter sowing is, first of all. Winter sowing is planting your seeds in these containers, making them like little winter greenhouses, and setting them outside. The magic versus winter sowing versus indoor seeding is indoors you need a grow light, you need small pots. You have to watch it because it gets fungus on it. You have to upgrow them and put them in bigger pots several times. Then you have to look for the space. Then you have to find windows for them. And it's just a whole lot of a headache. Then you have to take them outside and harden them off. In this process of winter sowing, everything is done in one container. You plant it in the container with your seeds, in the soil. You make it a greenhouse by venting it and adding water. Only potting soil. Then you close it up and take it outside and let the sun, the wind, the rain, and the snow hydrate it with water. The next time you take these plants out of these containers is in May or April when you plant them in 6B. You can even take these and grow them in the same exact pot that you start them in. Like tomorrow you could start them in this. So you could put small herbs in this. Maybe you could do like a small lavender, because that's how I did last year. I did lavender, and I put it in these small containers here. And what I did was I let them stay in there. And then they just grew out in there the whole time. So you don't have to do anything. You don't have to grow anything in the house. And you can really do this anywhere in the country of the United States. But like I said, I'm in 6B where it's really cold right now. There's snow on the ground, and that's the best time to do it. Because what happens is, as the weather warms up, the seeds scarify themselves and they emerge on their own. And they're so hardy and sturdy because they've been outside in the weather. They've been hardened off, and they make the most beautiful, vibrant plants. You need no fertilization. All you need is topsoil, seeds, these containers that I'm telling you to get. I know you probably have some around the house. Wash them out. You can even use soda bottles. This is a shoe box you can use here that has a lid on it. You've got an ice cream, Dean's, whatever ice cream place you get from, or just an empty container. And one other thing you might need too. is some of these little sticks, or either wooden popsicle sticks. I grew wisteria last year. I can't wait till that comes up. Chinese wisteria. So I'll just white over this or black over this and recycle it. And you need your seeds here. I have peppers I'll be using, garden beans, lettuce. And your lettuce can grow on in a big container like this, and you can just pick from it and eat it all you want. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. This is Cynthia Hill from Third Day Soaps Garden. I'm going to be teaching a little workshop online. Winter Sowing in 6B. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.